Okay, so you've done it. You've got your objectives now. You've reviewed them with your team. You've improved them with the feedback that they've given you. And so right now, we're going to spend time learning more about what it takes to craft a great set of key results. So what are key results? Key results are the measures and milestones that show how we achieve this objective. Typically, each objective is going to have 3 to 5 key results. And for OKRs, you can't have an objective without key results, nor can you have key results without an objective. The relationship between the O's and KRs makes this a highly effective goal-setting system. So where do we start? Well, take your objective and ask the question, what are the 3 to 5 critical things that need to happen over the next 90 days to make this objective come true? And similar to objectives, these key results aren't the sum of everything. It's the 3 to 5 measures that matter the most. So a couple things to remember, OKRs work as a set. They're not independent little goals. Together, they track your progress towards that objective that you set out. They're the little milestones and stepping stones. A mediocre set of key results will only capture the progress that you're making towards the goal. A better set of key results will capture that progress, but also tell you when you've actually met the finish line. And an excellent set of key results will both capture that progress, tell you when you've accomplished it, but also find ways to give you early warning signals along the way if you're not on track toward the objective that you've set. Not everybody plays or watches football, but the idea is that the touchdown is that objective that you've set, and the downs that you are making are those key results, and the yards that you progress on each are those indicators that you're actually making progress or you're not. And so it's really important that all parts of the team work together to get to that down. And if you find yourself after first try, after the second try, after the third try, making no progress toward it, it's clear you have to change your strategy. And so zooming out, our key results need to work together. And so when we succeed in all of our key results, it means we've met our objective. We could still meet our objective and not meet our key results, but that probably means that we've picked some key results that aren't important. If we achieve all of our key results and we still haven't met our objective, then it likely means we're missing a key result as part of our set. How many key results should we have for each objective? Earlier we said 3 to 5, and well, why so few? It's meant to be a focusing point for your organization and team on the measures that truly matter. And good key results are more than just metrics or KPIs. They're the yardstick that's measuring progress and the progress that we make together. And just like your objective, the language matters. And so for objective, it's supposed to be significant, concrete, and action-oriented. Our key results, on the other hand, are meant to be time-bound and specific and measurable and verifiable. And please, don't set a set of key results and only look at them at the end of the quarter. What's really important is for you to use them in your meetings week after week after week. They're designed to help you get a sense of the progress that you're making along the way, to surface the right conversations with your team at the right time. That's why key results are so important and why we spend so much time crafting the right ones. Okay, so we're just getting started, and what we're going to do in the next few sections is go a bit deeper into how to craft a great set of key results. I'll teach you about some of the common mistakes that are made, as well as how we can make them work together better as a set. And what we'll do in the next session is we're going to show you the 3 most common type of key results that we see.